是，咱来看美国夏威夷的毛伊岛，这届森林大火是烧甲真激烈，目前已经夺走93条人命，而且人数可能会阁继续增加。当地酋长讲，这袂输变作是战区同款，嘛讲这届警报系统是安怎会失去作用，嘛要彻底来调查。
当局也搁伫咧评估南海纳电灾区的范围。当初岛南铁里的居民认为，这马情势可能较缓和，就着急要登记厝来看，找失踪的家人。因过看到一切，甲以前拢完全无共款。
Basically, being treated like a crime scene. Every inch of that area needs to be investigated.
So when we can go in there?
That I cannot tell you. It depends on how long how quickly we can get through the investigation.
酋长个人讲，伫过去一礼拜有2200座建筑物被烧掉损害，造成真侪人死亡，死亡数也会增加。
It's going to continue to rise. We want to brace people for that. We have to go with caution. There are heavy metals there. There are toxic states where the houses have come down and the businesses have come down. The recommendations are to avoid those structures because they could still fall on people.
有人对自然灾害发生时阵应该启动的警报系统所失灵，造成性命财产损失，一个大范围停电加手机也未通提出质疑。酋长个人讲会赶紧调查，看因伫咧警报工作方面是毋是做了无够。这嘛是无清楚讲当地只敢若一间病院、3间殡仪馆，太平间是安怎容纳遮尔侪罹难者。
Mr. President, are you going to take questions on Maui? First Lady.
这边野火造成的死亡人数是夏威夷上严重的自然灾害，已经超过1960年造成61人死亡的大海啸，也超过2018年加州天龙镇野火86人死亡的记录，是1918年以来造成上侪人死亡的野火。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。